Good morning, children. Jai Hind. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in our last class, we have discussed about the difference between computer and calculator, and I hope you all have understood the difference between the two. So, children, in our today's class, we will discuss how to hold a mouse. So when you are going to come to the computer lab, so you're going to do work on the computer and you will do it by holding the mouse. So you should know how to hold the mouse with properly. Okay, so this in this picture you can see there are two pictures in which one is right and one is wrong. And see, for holding the mouse, the best way is to make V with your first two fingers. We will discuss about the name of fingers we take in the computer language. So we have to make a V with our first two fingers, first finger and our middle finger, and the rest of the fingers we will keep it aside, and then you will move the mouse, and you will not hold the mouse tightly, you will hold it very softly, and you will have to make V with two fingers. You will keep one finger, first finger on the left mouse button and second finger on the right mouse button, and the center one, the scroll button, is you are not supposed to touch it. We will use it whenever it is required. And in the second picture you can see they have kept both the fingers on the right mouse button, which is wrong. We cannot operate the mouse like this. So the first picture in which you can see that you have make a V with it, this is the correct picture. Fine. And see, these are the fingers name in the computer language, and I will start with the smaller one. The smaller finger, we call it little finger, and then ring finger, then middle finger, then index finger and thumb. So these are the buttons. Left mouse button, then is scroll button, and then is right mouse button. So you have to keep your index finger on the left mouse button and your middle finger on the right mouse button to operate the mouse, and rest of the fingers you will keep aside, and you will hold the mouse very lightly, and you are not going to press the buttons, these left and right buttons, when you are going to put your fingers. You are just going to keep it on the mouse. Remember, you are not going to press these buttons. We will press these buttons whenever it is required, whenever we are going to do some work. Fine. So hold the mouse with your right hand. If you are a right-handed, you will hold the mouse with your right hand, and if you are a left-handed, then you will hold the mouse with your left hand. When you will move the mouse arrow moves on the screen. So when you will move the mouse to the right side on the mouse pad or on the table, you will find that there is one arrow on the monitor which you also feels moving on the screen. When you will move the mouse to the right side, the arrow which we call cursor, we call mouse arrow cursor, that cursor also moves to the right side. If we will move the mouse to the left side, cursor also moves to the left side. And as it is, as you will move the mouse in any direction, the cursor will also move in the same direction. So this is moving the mouse. Now when you are going to press the mouse button, we call it click in computer language. See, if you will press your left mouse button with your index finger, you will press it one time and it will be a click. Okay, it will be a single click. You will press your finger, index finger, and then release it. This is the single click. And remember, children, for most of the times we are going to use the single click and with the left click only. to draw, to color, to open anything, we are going to use the left mouse button only. We are not going to use the right mouse button more. You are going to press your index finger more. Fine, the first finger more. And when we are going to press it one time, it will be a single click. And when we are going to press it two times together, quickly press the button two times, that will become a double click. Fine, so it is going to help to open something. If you want to open anything, open any folder, open any file, you are going to do the double click, and for this you have to press your index finger twice, two times, but very quickly. Fine, so that will be a double click. So this is about clicking, single click and double click. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.